Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Habakren shakilat pathai kubor. Haka jinglet snolem jong u halor ka jingklat no jong ba RG Lingdo. Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla u James PK Sangba ula ong baka Jilla jongi ka Shongsuk Shongsang Kumne kumba ka long menta ka dei Lyngba ka senyang ka ba uba RG Lingdo ula trei haka por ba ulong ko Menteri Sarkar u James ula penkan mau ba uba RG u dei ubreu uba shlur shisha bat omdan jingting jing smith wat bayakran markhmat bat kiseng le noru.
A really dear friend, and today I'm filled with this deep sense of loss for a friend. Always, no matter how dark the day was, always would light up, the day for us. And it's so shocking that he is no more with us, because the kind of positivity that he had, the optimism that he had, so much of life that he had in him, and it's really today very hard to believe that he's no more with us, despite his prolonged illness, which he has been suffering for a very long time. Kind of strength and courage that he had, we always felt that he would be with us for much longer time. But this is all God's will, and today I've lost a really dear friend, and I pray to Almighty God that He gives strength and solace to his family, and may his soul rest in eternal peace. I think today the state has lost a leader who all of us know his contribution as Home Minister of this state, of how he was responsible for bringing this peace that all of us are enjoying today in our state, by dealing with insurgency with a very firm hand, by being very courageous in all the actions that he took. And today we all are enjoying the fruits of that. And it's not just insurgency per se, but many other ways that he contributed to our state, invaluable contributions, for which I think the state owes him a great debt of gratitude. And today the state has lost a true son of the soil. I think that Bob was one of the most talented persons, and the kind of life that he had in him would come out in his music, would come out in other forms of expression, like in his writings, in his poetry, and extremely talented person, and always the life of the room of any gathering or any group. Always having these great ideas, and about how we as a state, how we as a community, how we as a people should be proud of our tradition, our cultures, of what we have, and to have played that role in the Guinness Book of the largest number of drums being played at one given point of time. I think that that's the kind of leadership quality that he had, wherein he was able to bring all of this together and do it so well that today it's in the Guinness Book of World Records. So it really goes to show his qualities as a leader, as an organizer, as a human being.